Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living, and raising a family in China. Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living, and raising a family in China. Today, we're looking at the Batman PPT bomb game. Let's check it out. So this Batman PowerPoint game is made by Sprite06 of the Way Group Forum, and we'll put a link in the comment section below the video for you to get a copy of your free PPT download. The first screen, you have to choose one of the letters to go to a question. X if the students answer the question incorrectly. Tick if they answer it correctly. There are also many special events as well. Well, that was our Batman PPT walkthrough. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel or go into the comment section to get your copy of the PPT.